Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. We have a special one, guys. It's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, share my videos, like, and also drop the sweet comments. So on today's vlog, guys, let me know what do you think about on today's videos. But I was shooting these videos far away from my village. As you can see, guys, it's totally different from my village, guys. So on this side here, I want to show you the green nature, beautiful natures, and I want to share with you these videos. It's a kind of motivate videos, at the same time emotional videos. So guys, I came here, I want to show you the waterfall. And in case you're new here, it was your very first time to watch these videos. So guys, I'm heading deep and down. Imagine, guys, I'm heading that way and then going deep. So this is my baby right here, and I have already locked the steering, so no one who maybe will touch my bike. So I want to show you a little bit, man, video. I think from the far end, guys, you had water flowing. So one of these days I will come with one, or maybe one of my friend, or one of my maybe who I need to come here to make maybe cooking videos within here. But you know what, guys, I said today my intro will start here, guys. So let's go, guys. Imagine I'm heading that way and then going deep. You see the crazy situation. You wait. Look, guys, I'm walking like that way. Oh my god. Imagine, guys, I walk far away to look for the content. First step, I want to show you how water flow going deep, and then I'll take you that way, then coming this way. Wow, guys, come along with me. Wow, I'm telling you. Oh my god. On this deeply forests, like a kind of the bush, huge bush, me, I don't care, I'm flowing by. Guys, come along with me. Look, I was coming from right there, going that way, and to have that vibe for the water flow. Actually, it's a waterfall that I found. Oh my god. Oh, there's some ton. Oh my god. Whew. Right here. Look how beautiful it is. And look, guys, I'm sharing with you this story from my village here. Look. Oh my god. Look, guys, you see how water flow from here this side? Oh my god. Going that way and then going to deep. And then next thing I will show you, I will take you around, going that way to see the waterfall. People are taking, they're bathing here. Look, from there. Maybe I'll go closer. So here I must remove my shoes because this stone is a kind of a slippery. So guys, I'm walking with my bare leg. Oh my god. Oh, let me show you guys. This stone is slippery, so I must walk careful. You see, water is running from that way, going, and then down there there's a waterfall, man. You will see. We're so blessed, man, to have the waterfall within here. And on today's videos, it will start from here. Look how water flows. Let's go that way. I was struggling. Oh my god. to climb here. Wow. You see, guys? And here it's a kind of a bush. You can tell the water's running from there, coming that way, passing here. Look. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my God. Wow, guys. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you watching my videos every day, guys. And remember, I left my bike on upper side. I'm deeply inside the waterfall, guys. I'm showing you. Look how water is running, man, like crazy, like wow. When you sit down there, it will take you like boom. Oh wow, guys, imagine today my intro starts from here going home, and on my today's vlog I will have the serious mason or workers who want to dig my borehole, and it's go deeply. Let's go, guys. Imagine. Oh my God. I want to share with you this story, guys, from this side of my... Actually, I'm at the deep village. So you can tell, guys. Imagine. I was driving like some kilometers, guys. But it's far away from my village. Maybe if you use the fare, we can use $500 or $5 to come here. It's far away, I'm telling you. So guys, let's go. Oh my God. So I was coming from there, heading that way. Wow, look how water flows, man, going that way. So actually, I'm going to show you the real waterfall down there. So this water is running like boom, and then chop. Let's go, guys, come along with me. Wow. Look, I'm scared inside here. Maybe there is a big snake, but me, I want to believe in God. Wow. Imagine it, I was coming from right there. Let's go. So, as I keep showing you around, I'll take you to see the waterfall. Down there, guys. Down there. So people are maybe washing clothes here. These are hanging clothes like a rope. Let me show you guys. Oh, this is my shoes here. Guys, sorry for the noise of water. Actually, it's coming like boom. So guys, anyway, people are washing clothes here, bathing within here. Right here, this is a rope, acts as a hanging cloth. Look, as you bet, for example, I'm washing my shirt right here. I would dry here, hanging on this hanging rope right now. Anyway, guys, let's go. Guys, let's go. I want to show you the really waterfall, guys. Imagine I'm heading inside here. You see, guys, how I was struggling, guys. Imagine. These are guavas here, but are not mature right now. Like, it doesn't have fruits. But let's go. Come along with me, guys. Imagine, I was coming from right there. It's a kind of bushy. And me, I don't care. I don't care, guys. As long as I made my videos and all in well, we thank God for our good health, our good life. Man, I'm outside here to chase my dream. You have the waterfall on the other side. So guys, I'm going to show you good vibe, good videos. Let's go, guys. Look, this is my small jackets right here. So I was like tightening on my waist, and then there's my shorts here. Let's go, let's go. Guys, in case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, guys, on today's vlog, guys, please subscribe, like, share my videos. When I get 12 people, share my link to 100 people, to 40 people. I really appreciate, man. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Why not me? Anyway, let's go. Guys, I'm scared. Within here, I'm alone. But me, like, it was not my first time to be here. But I somehow came here alone, and it's quite early morning over here. You can tell from the far end. I'm scared, but I want to make sure that I will show you the waterfall. So maybe when you want to come here, guys, come in partner, maybe 2 people. But alone, and it was your first time, you're scared. Wow. Look guys. You see, guys? That is the waterfall. See, guys? That is the kind of the video, guys, that on today's videos I want to show you. Look. Wow. And these stones are very, very slippery. Look. The water is coming from upper side, coming that way. Look, man. Going. Deep. Oh my God. This is a beautiful waterfall that we have in our village here, guys. Look. Wow. Let me show you on the other side. Look, guys. But when I was making the videos, I was coming from other side, on other side. Look. Wow. So the waterfall is coming like that way, and it's cold water, man. I'm telling you, it's cold. It's cold water here. Maybe I wanna share with you guys other side are winter season, summer. But for my summer season, I want to share with you from Africa, Kenya, summer season, guys. Wow. And these stones are very, very slippery. When you step there, you fall down. Wow. Well done, guys. God bless me. To show you amazing videos from other village. Wow, look. Anyway, guys, we keep going like that way. Oh my God. Wow. So, guys, I want to wash my face, guys, because it's a lot of dust. When I was coming from my home, I didn't film the videos because of the time. I was driving exclusively up to this waterfall right here that you see. So I need to wash my face because it's somehow like it's dusty, you know. Wow. Well, guys, I need to wash my face. I'm telling you. I want to wash my face right here. And I feel like, guys, I could take you that way, but no place that we can go. Oh my God, look. That's my shoes. Oh. Hey, real life here, guys. I'll step here, one leg. I see the legs for the dog. It's not a dog. Man, I will never go there because I'm just alone here. Let's do this. Let me wash my face as we go. I see the leg for the dogs, not for the dogs. Let me wash my hand as we go. My face. because it's running water. Because of the dust, I'm trying to wash my face, guys. Look at that beautiful trees right there. So guys, look, water is running, man, from there. People are jumping here, taking shower there, or bathing. Wow. Look. Guys, I think I explore this a little bit videos from here. So right now, more videos coming. So let me go, guys. I left my bike and I was alone here. So, oh my God, I need to wipe my face because I was washing my face down there. So that being said, when I'm driving here, it's dusty, guys. A lot of dust on the road because most of our road here in our village, 90% are tarmac, like muram, you know. Wow. So going this way, it's crazy. Coming, it's deep. Wow. The real hustle. Hello baby over here. Came in from other village to share with you this story, guys. Imagine I was coming from right there. Crazy. Wow. Guys, whew, to be honest, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about on today's vlog? You know, it's amazing, and it's done by itself. Actually, it's need more effort. Like I said, you know what, today I'm shooting these videos on Wednesday, and my intro will start from here. So it depends, guys. Maybe when there's a lot of maybe confusion between my sound and the sound for the waterfall, please guys, watch until the end, flow with the vibe. And I was locking my steering, guys, so maybe when people try to push my bike, could not going like straight, taking corner round until I found them. But the thief one, they know, like, you cut the steering wires and then unlock and then they push. But for the first guy who maybe want to rob my bike, they don't know how to maybe. But guys, I want to throw that energy for stealing my bike. So my bike is okay, but I'm trying to kind of like to create an imagination, you know. So, oh man, I lock. Anyway, guys, I was saying, in case we had maybe some confusion between waterfall and my sound, please guys, follow the vibe till the end. So I need to wear my jacket. Actually, I love this jacket because right now it's winter season here. No, it's summer. Sorry guys, it's summer season here, and I wanna wear this jacket. It's lighter and it reflects light because it's black, man. It's burning my body. But I'm trying to look for the blue one or red one which can fit maybe like that way. So this one is totally black, and you know black, it's like, it's to reflect, yeah, to reflect light. When it's the sun is hot, man, you feel your body heating so fast. Oh, so I want to close it here. Oh, because guys, I was driving slowly, and right now these videos, it's depend where it's like it's a continuation of the videos. So I want to show you how I'm leaving this place, man. For the first time maybe you're doing you're enjoying my vlog. Actually, when you are on this upper side here, you can't realize that going deep, there is a waterfall. Look, you can't tell. You see maybe this way going other side, like it's the same land, like, but deep between that stones that you see right there, deep, there's a waterfall there. I'm telling you. So guys, it's time to go, and I need to take my bike reverse. Oh my god, as we go. For my friend who fueled my bike to be full tank, thank you so much. May God bless you for watching these videos. Thank you a million times. And Monkey, wherever you are, thank you so much for purchasing this motorbike. The year of 2023 is the year of success. Me, God have been blessing me to have this motorbike. During the party season, I was gaining the motorbike, and we say, God, thank you so much. Imagine, and right now the bike is full tank. Maybe when I was driving, maybe the gas or gasoline goes down as I keep riding. Maybe, for example, from my home up to here, it's a far distance. Anyway guys, let me take you around to see. Me, I'm not the guy who faking things. Wow, Floyd vibe to the end. This starter is not working because my battery died, so I needed to use the kick right here. That's the kick. I step my leg and then oh my god, let's go. Guys, I was coming from right there with my bike, heading this way. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, my good people. Please guys, supporting me by subscribing to my channel, like and share my videos. I'm heading this way. Oh. Imagine guys, wow. Guys, this is a part of the village, but I'm not in Nyabuhanse village. I'm far away from my home, looking for the content. Oh, let's go. We have the school right here. It's a public school, and it's found in a deep village, you know. So maybe nowadays people learn in a special school. But initially, this is our local school that we have here. Wow. Let's go guys. Let's do this. You know, when I was coming from a different route, I'm not repeating that route. I must change the route as we keep explore. This is my bat here, they were being fenced. Wow. Oh, hey man, I'm breathing fresh air from this beautiful side shade here. Wow. Woo. Look how the road looks like. Crazy. Right here we have the church. And this is Nyaroha dispenser. Maybe it's a small hospital for serving maybe the people who have been here, like community. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Here they didn't know about YouTube, you know. When they see me with a camera, it's a kind of a shock. Wow. Heading this way, going deep. Oh, my first vlog guys, from other side of the village, and then filming, riding, showing you a amazing waterfall. Look how the roads looks like. Oh my god, look how the roads looks like. I'm telling you, in Africa here it's crazy. Oh my god. Oh yeah, Unajua ile sehemu inaitwa ngoja nitokee. Hi. Wow guys, a little bit I was asking one of the guy because I'm going to visit one of my fellow YouTubers, so to share with you his background. But I'm Google the place. I'm new here, so actually I'm trying to ask, you know, so my phone went off. So when my phone maybe has power, I could maybe doing Google map and then it showed me everything. But we keep flow guys, with vibe. Look, beautiful forest here. I'm trying to show you guys how village local roads looks like. It's crazy, I'm telling you. If you are new here, you can't drive here. Like me, I was struggling here. Oh, and at the same time I'm crying. Look. Like here it's deep, it's hilly. Oh. I was coming from deep right there. I'm telling you guys, these videos, it's a motivate videos, at the same time it's an emotional videos. Wow, you will see guys to the end. Keep rolling my camera, showing you amazing view from here. Wow. What about when I get the sport bike? I could ride really crazy. Guys, to be honest, when I was taking Congrats Mom to school, this is the direction going to school. The school known as Mosweto, going this way. But anyway guys, so I want to pause my videos until when I meet other center, a small center on the other side. I will ask people. So I know where I'm heading to, but I know some maybe small centers, and I'm going to visit one of my friends for the first time maybe guys on my vlog. I didn't plan this, but when I came on his side of the village, I want to make a research as we keep going. But honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I didn't plan this because I was planning to come on the waterfall, and then I said, you know what guys, let me greet one of my friend, and we will see him on my videos guys, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm keep going, and right now on this village here there's a road construction. You can tell the bulldozer is right here. Let me show you guys. These are excavator or bulldozer. You see right here, right there. There's ongoing road construction, and this is the KK. Oh yeah. This is the KK right here. I was shocked that KK came from Bora Town. So keep going, man. It's road construction going on here. And at the back, the car is coming, man. So, oh my god. Okay, that is it. So I want to go at my own pace until that car passing there. So let me show you guys. There's a car coming. See that one there? KBF, old version. Guys, I'm showing you this other beautiful side. Hey, let's go. Guys, I'm telling you right now, it's summer season here, you know, so we had a lot of dust. You can tell on my videos when that car passing, man, it's somehow something crazy. Wow. This is at the middle side of the village. I'm keep showing you people are harvesting sand on the roadside. You can tell. Wow. You can tell even right there. So that being said, this road is under construction, so it brought sand everywhere. People harvest sand on the trench or terrace, whichever the case. At the far end, guys, I'm going to meet the tarmac road a little bit, and then heading down, going. Oh, guys, I'm outside, my people, to chase my dream. Why not Hello Baby Official? So we're heading this way, you know, but most places somehow crazy. Whoa, we keep going. So after like 300 meters apart from here where I am, to meet the tarmac road and then heading deep. Wow. See guys at the back, old fashioned car, like going that way. So this is the tarmac road, and then I'll take a U-turn where you see the lorry, and then going deep. Oh my god. And outside, my good people. So this region here is Spania. So I wanna go this way. Take a U-turn. We use this road going to Spania, I'm telling you. This is another shortcut. So guys, as you keep enjoying this my vlog, please subscribe, share my videos. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about. And right here, the tarmac ends here. You can tell. The tarmac ends right there. Oh. Also the car is coming. But I'm keep going, guys, deep to the village. The car is coming, guys. Oh. Big machine, Prado. Boy is grazing the cow right there. Whew. Whew. It's a Prado, I'm telling you. This is a Prado right here. It's a big machine by itself, I'm telling you. Prado. Right here to cut tax. Keep going. Oh, mama with the fire right there. Guys, I want to pause my videos because it's too dust right here. The Prado made me a lot of dust. It's So to do something special is to post my video. I'm telling you guys, it's dust right now. Hey, the guy who have big machine. Wow, imagine guys, I'm telling you, I'm on a different village and you think it's a joke. You see guys by yourself, but probably I'll show you. You have the local bridge here. You see? Right here. Guys, Prado is killing me with dust. I'm telling you. Oh. But let's follow the vibe to the end. And guys, make sure you leave the sweet comments on the comment section below. You know, and me, it's a good thing to show you the part of my village, actually different village, to share with you to the world. You know, sometimes I share with you how people live, how background of people looks like, including my background. You know, so I share with you the memories from Africa, especially in my village, you know. Wow. But building the house that way. Man, when I see other people building, I said, when my mom's dream house became in good shape. But anyway guys, we keep going this way and oh, I see the Prado take a U-turn going this way. So there's no need maybe to fear. Wow. I'm driving my bike here. I'm driving. I'm telling you, with my small baby, right there. Heading this way. Wow. Hey, perimeter wall. Maybe wow. People are building, man. I'm telling you. When I'm passing maybe in a different village like this, people are building like crazy. I said, why not Hello Baby official? We have the church right here. I'm telling you, that's the house of God. Wow. Even guys, I feel so hungry like a goat, but I'll manage to hit the road. Guys, to be honest, I make a research. Man, it took me only 2 hours going rotating on this part of the village. I'm telling you, I was coming in the middle part of the village. Actually guys, because my phone went off, so I didn't use the Google map, so that's the reason why I was struggling. And right now it's okay. Let me check the time. Let me check the time.
When there's no sun. So
guys, it's around 11:48. Imagine guys, from 9 up to now, 11:48. It took me 2 hours making search, but the good thing about during the day you can't get lost. So this banana here, as you can see, and actually I'll see the owner to give me the quick tour. You see the banana, I'm telling you, we have avocado trees, and farming is our backbone. Man, I don't want to film people's, like, I see the guy right there, but I didn't see me. I see the guy there, but he didn't have the clue where I have maybe make the Google search. So let me sit here as I keep waiting. We have the local benches here. I'm telling you, we have the local seats there. This is her home. Wow. So guys, I was sitting here and some few minutes. So let me check other, maybe there's somebody inside. And this is how life looks like, you know. So according to our culture, when you find a home like this, it's have a small gate. You must bend like this. You wait. You see, guys, I'm taller than. You see, even right here. So you wanna bend. Odi, Odi, Odi. Hey, guys, you see this guy?
Guys, do you know me? How are you, bro?
I'm good.
Yeah.
So today, thank you so much for welcoming me to your home. So today, make a research. And on our yesterday videos, I was watching you take your young brothers to school.
Yeah, by the way.
And I said, you know what? So when I came maybe to a waterfall, and then I must pass to your home, say hi.
And who show you the...
Me, I'm telling you, the moment I saw your videos, nobody showed me. But when I came within there, Guikong, I asked the name of your school that you take your brothers. Ihore.
Yeah, Ihore.
Ihore, guys. And then people told me, you go this way. And then when I go, I said, I must drive my bike until when I meet the school.
Yeah.
And then I see the school, yesterday you show people how water stuck on the road. And then the school motto.
Yeah.
Okay, so when it's this, let me go this way. I drive far away and then I meet one of the guy. I ask, there's one of my friend came from Nyabuhanse. He building her mama the house.
Yeah.
Okay, he told me, you know that guy? He said, okay, I know. So he told me there's a funeral on upper side. So when you go straight and then you take a U-turn. So I take a U-turn. Imagine I ask only once.
Bro, you tried your best.
So this is where you're calling home or you are faking things?
No, bro, trust me. I know there are those who thinking that I was lying because they wasn't believe if my home...
Including me, guys. I was thinking that Sholave is lying me. But you know what? I said, okay, I want to confirm with my eyes.
Yeah. So, bro...
Or it's your grandma home?
No, bro, this is my home.
This is your home?
Bro, this was my house. By the days I wasn't to go to... By the days I was living here. Because now...
Where is your mom's house first?
My mom's house is here. She was using this house. Trust me, bro.
I want to trust you. I want to trust you guys. Bro. Probably, even me, to be honest, the way you see me, the way I am right now today, I was born on such a house like this. I swear in God, I can't maybe like pretend. I'm telling you. Even there is a time I want to ask my mama. Me, I was born and raised on this house. Maybe our second brother born on a Mabati house, like semi-permanent house. But I myself, I was born on this house. And to be honest, I love this kind of house. Not hot, not warm. It moderates maybe the climate changes. Yes, so this is your mom's house?
So this is my mom's house, bro. But sad is, this house, it's already like fell down. But only one thing I will do is, bro, I will not going to destroy this home.
No. If you wanna destroy, you can destroy only this one.
No, even this one, bro. I don't know if this idea is good. I was planning to get one roll of fence so that I can fence this compound. Bro, this it will be
okay, this one could be the part of the memory.
Yeah, bro.
Maybe you can demolish. The video is there. You shoot the videos every day. And then one day maybe if you have your kids, you click. You see where our life starts from?
Bro, like right now, bro, God is good, man.
Yeah.
Here will be sometimes, bro, I must. You know now we have settled one together like some.
Guys, let me stand here because of the sun. To be honest, this guy before, I'll take you where he was building her mama or his mama dream house. Before he came to build his mama the dream house, he asked me, like, he came for the consultation or like to get some piece of advice from me. You want to build the permanent? Be honest.
Yeah.
And I told you, at this moment,
Just build.
just build the semi-permanent.
Yeah.
And then you say, okay, you know, hello baby, me I want to build permanent. And I said, bro, build semi-permanent. And I give you one of example for your colleague who start building the permanent. Up to now, he didn't reach even up to the rental. I told you go and build the semi-permanent. Me, you know, on that day, I ignore it. Like, okay, if you decide to go and build your mom's permanent, you just go. It's according to your opinion. But there's a day you meet me and then you told me, okay, hello baby, I see your advice is good and doing well. Bro, did you manage to build your mom's house? Bro, according to my advice?
Bro, trust me. You know, by the way, what I like is I really like some advices, bro. Because when I will go ahead on my own, when I will go ahead to do my own things, there are somewhere where I will going to mess. So I really like some advice. When you advise me, bro, just the way you watch, by the way you are watching, you those days you are watching my videos and you tell me, bro, your mom's house is on danger.
You know the first guys, to be honest, the first day when I saw you filming the video here, I think you came with Nasto? Nashon. Yeah. The first day. And then Nashon put on premiere. Yeah. I saw your videos. I said, really? This is your background? Yeah. I said, maybe there's one of this day. I'll make sure that I'll shoot the videos at your home. But probably, congratulations. Before you take me to your mom's dream house, congratulations.
Thanks, man.
For my good idea and good advice.
Bro, thanks. Thank you. I have no much to say.
Imagine.
Bro, because I take your advice, bro, trust me, if I could going to build a permanent,
it take you a long time.
It could take me.
Imagine, buy sand, buy stones. Like maybe when maybe the place or the land is slope, you wanna buy 15 strip for the stones. Cement is there, labor money. Imagine. And then roofing, need timber, iron sheet. But if you build, the moment you build semi-permanent and you plastering, and then it create a house look like a bulletproof. For meanwhile, when you get money, you want to start step by step buying materials. If you have that dream, I know you have the bigger dream to build the permanent, but for now you can build semi-permanent. For meanwhile, you buy materials slowly. Bro, when everything you got on the ground, and then one day you said, boom, you can build.
Bro, right now you can't believe.
Okay, you can take to your mom's house, or when it's advisable, you can take me. When it's not,
no, I can take you.
Okay,
because
take me.
Right now here, they have already now, you know, when you I know you know these things. Guys, when you are building on like at our traditionals, they say that when you started to build the house, there's no need now to settle that the
old one.
So you need to go there. So because they say that you can't leave the house to stay alone, and you have already built it. So they have already now go there. So
all right, guys. Sholab, he wanna take me to her mom. Recently house, like a brief tour, and then as you keep going outside, I'll show you. This is a small compound here. Let's go. Anyway, guys, welcome.
You can see.
Yes, I saw these things on camera.
Yeah, you can see.
Guys, if you think that I'm lying, go and watch Sholab.
Yeah, Sholab official.
Yeah. You see this kind of like a Manila bag here. Yeah, I was seeing everything. Don't push.
So, bro, welcome. And
oh my God.
Yeah, this now was my mom's home. My mom's house.
To be honest,
really, this is I can't lie on you. You know me well, bro. So this one they were using this one to
cooking here.
Yeah, cooking.
Yes, even at home have such a kind of this cooking place.
So the bed was here and everything.
Imagine, guys, inside here, your mom sleeping here.
Yeah.
Did you have the cow or goats?
No.
Did you have hens?
Yeah.
They were sleeping with hens here.
You can see.
Oh, here. The bed is there.
Yeah, the bed is there.
They have been sleeping with.
Yeah. So that's all.
Man, you must thank God.
Bro.
Guys, before I take to her mom's dream house, he must thank God. And thank the person who take you from your village to Nyabohans. Me, I'm telling you, you just think. And also thank your mentor.
Yeah.
You know, just give give your mentor respect. I know you're on the same age, but I know where you came from. He was the one who uplifted you. You know. First thing, you wanna thank the person who brought you from your village here to Nyabohansi.
Yeah.
Second thing, thank you. Appreciate your mentor. You know, he was the one who introduced to this platform. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah, so
Wow. This is a mabati door.
yeah, so this one is the mabati door.
It's disturbing.
Yeah, so
Guys, this is her mama initially house.
you must have now
The back door.
back door.
Mhm.
When you
This is
come
the way
in,
you close.
yeah, this is the-
You have the post here, like a small room.
So that's
And
how-
right here, you have the
So-
center.
So this one, guys, guys, this one you put some.
Come because of the light here.
This one here, guys, you can put even the tea inside.
No, tea. This one is a local traditional bowl. You can maybe drink porridge,
Yeah.
soup. I'm telling you,
Yeah, soup.
soup, porridge, and even local porridge known as busara.
Yeah.
But
Not tea?
not tea, bro. Don't
Oh.
mess up.
Bro, I'm going to taste that tea.
You can drink inside here water, porridge, local porridge known as busara, and also you can ask even your dad. You can ask even your dad, guys.
You can't
These
use
things here.
You can't use this thing.
Let me know in the Jamaican how we call these things, but in our language you call kerandi. And when it's like cut it into two pieces, known as gesencho. Like even our old grandma went to the river,
Yeah,
like
using
it's used as a jug, fetching water, put on the pot. There's one day I'll make a videos, you will see. You know, I have one of our upcoming young ladies.
Yeah.
I'm trying to mentor her. So when she calling me, like she wanna pay a visit to my home, so I decided to have a pot and this, and then I'll make a videos to show people how back years our parents living
was
in local way.
Yeah.
So going to the river, fetching this, and then you see that videos. Wow, me, I was so grateful, and I'm happy the way you.
Bro, I'm very happy.
Okay, this is the back door. We have the
back door.
this is our compound here. So we have the entrance right here.
You know what makes them? You know this one. When you come late, there's no need for them to open for you there.
Oh, open the gate.
Yeah.
So your dad knocked there.
Yeah. They.
Okay, you can open as you go outside. Guys, anyway, don't charge me, but I'm keep shooting these videos to show you the way living back here as our old grandpa. But I'm so grateful this house exists up to nowadays. Wow, let's go.
So this one now is outside door.
Oh man, I was coming from right there. I'm telling you, don't demolish this house.
Yeah.
Maybe if you wanna demolish because it's almost to fall down, you left that one there.
Yeah.
As a
I
memory.
get one of my subscriber comment on my video and told me that I'm sure love. You just he was advised me to plaster that house.
Okay. Only one house that we're going to plaster, maybe that one, because that one is strong.
Yeah,
This one is already to fall down. So this one, don't demolish. Leave it the way it is until it's fall down alone. Don't demolish. So this is the piece of your land?
So this one is a piece of my dad's land.
And that's your grandma or your uncle?
No, that one is my uncle.
Where is your grandma home?
Down there.
Okay.
Can I give you, after this, can I give you a tour to there?
Yes, we can go. Let's go.
Bro,
Can yes, yeah. According to our culture,
yeah.
you don't want maybe to surround your house.
Yeah, maybe. So we must also cross.
Guys, I want to do some quick and tour because my battery it's almost to die or went off. So I want to do the quick and tour first. And oh man, did you have this kind? Man, I'm telling you, these are kind of like stuff to scrub your body while taking shower. Mwana rinole ihoma. Mwana nimekauka. Gani?
Yeah.
So I can go and dry them.
Yeah, this one is already. This one here is already.
It's already.
You want to use it for a shower?
Yes.
You can go with it.
Yeah, I must go with it.
Yeah, that one.
These are local one.
Yeah, even this one. Another one is here.
Which one? The tunarara ihoma mura.
Oh, it's here. Show you.
Yeah, show me.
I don't know if we can go outside.
Let's go outside. Okay, guys.
But see,
anyway, guys, when I'm going home, I must go with that stuff. Yeah. Kagani. Tegara homa.
Si unaenda kukausha mwana.
Kwa sina ndani lazima yakauke ndio chuni.
Unaenda kukausha mwana.
Okay, we'll go.
Juu is already, you know, so unaona kuna utofauti. They are
okay, kind of a different. This one are not ready.
Yeah, this one is ready.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I want to give you a quick tour where my friend built her mama dream house.
Yeah, so
let's go.
Bro, let me tell you. You can't imagine even how our toilet was. That was our toilet.
That one there? Guys, let me show you. Me, you laugh, but for me, even me, the way you say I'm building my toilet,
yeah.
Man, I'm telling you, it's a kind of like covering the polythene paper. Yeah. Sometimes when the polythene paper gets some crack, somebody can see you. Better you cover with some leaves. I'm telling you.
Bro, sometimes you can't even go to the toilet because of the way it is.
Maybe you're scared.
Yeah, you're scared.
Because they don't want to show you. Those are kind of the local toilets. And then you put the food inside there. Yeah. So, but all in one, go to open the door. Did you haven't you started digging the borehole?
I have started to dig
the toilet. Mm-hmm. Because this one's the old part you left, and then as you dig the new one.
So this is my dad, bro.
Is your dad? Yeah. Yes, I see he's a humble dad. Yeah. Wow.
So bro, sometimes man.
That? Yeah. Unamura. Eh.
It's a firstborn.
Your firstborn? Aya kitamba choko hagachi nyumba yo. Nachira kambu ya tuna hagachi nyumba ya matafari. Kamuteviga kwa sasi go. Wangu itoro kwa high class or high standard. Endu jenge ya matope hata kama ni room 3 ama 4 afu ipige plastic. Sasa wakati una haraka ukipata pesa utakuwa mwaga mati. Akamba pana, mimi nataka kujenga permanent. Kamutevia kama unajaribu nenda ujaribu. Kamutevia kwa hagachi ya mataki tote mbi plastic korkera gento. Onero tana haraka. Na temera nyakonyu sonyisi mama ngotorichi imbezino temera umuntu musenza homa ichitipakia ile ana haraka. So ndio watoe hapa waweke pale. Sasa kijenga nyumba tofali ni pole pole ana haraka. Siku nyingine anakuja kaniambia nimemake research, nimeona ile advice yako inafanya kazi. Hapana kama burika umeona sasa hivi umejenga nyumba hii. Sasa angejenga nyumba tofali, yoso tutarate michibuloku hayo. Hajamwaga mawe. Na ile pesa nyungejenga nyumba ingeenda kwa material peke yake. Hai.
So
okay, you are the firstborn. The way I'm the firstborn also to my mom's family or to my dad's family. Alright, atiganyo kia guys. Hai.
So bro, nakwambia like
guys, I was telling his father like before his son came to do the house, he came for my consultation and all stuff. I told him just build semi-permanent, and then for meanwhile you can build like buying materials here and there. I know my friend have the big dream to build a permanent house. Even me, try to imagine, my mama was living on this house, and that being said, initially my mama stayed on that house. That's where my mom's life started. The way your mom start life on other side, the way my mama start like that way, I'm telling you.
Yeah bro, now this is the site.
This one here. Anyway guys, this is a new house, new home for your parent.
My mom's dream house.
Thank you. It's your parent's dream house.
Yeah, my
don't say your mom's dream house. It's your parent's dream house. You know? As long as right now I have single parent, that's my mom. I wanna say my mom's dream house. Because right now no more father may be alive. My father passed away. So you wanna say your parents' dream house.
Congratulations.
And then even you build everything, you open the gate on that road there.
No. You know now, I want, you know, you can see this place somehow clean. So
it will be the part of the compound.
Yeah, this one tomorrow I'm going to plant the grasses and the flowers. And also we should,
mufungue gate hapo
mbona. Lakini ni uko somewhere there.
Wapi?
Somewhere. I will going to show.
Hakuna uwezi fanya hivyo. Gate unaifungua pale, unakuja hivi.
Mbona siku uko chini?
Ni sawa. Na nyumba utakuja kujenga hapo. Hai, kwa sawa tu. Ni idea yako.
So
Mama koroboki. Bwairire ama bwakire?
Bwakire koira bogoti.
Mboyori.
Yani.
Rona achire yangu.
Karibu.
Nakijua mama. Mama ni Mkisii, nakijua.
Hata mimi ni Mkisii.
mama kwa ni Mkisii.
Mama ni Mkisii. I'm telling them my mama she's a Kisii.
Hata mimi ni Mkisii.
Huyu aliniambia juzi alienda Kisii.
Alienda Masisi.
Guys.
Hapa tuko jikoni.
They are cooking right here. That's Kumawiki okay, so green cola. Wow guys, I hope you enjoyed this village content live. Guys, maybe I came at a good time. Maybe. Wow, hiya mama. Rugande. They are preparing kales here. At the same time boiling water for the cooking uga right here. Hey, one master at the same time to control. Okay. Hiya mama Taruga.
You must serve for the master. You must serve 2 masters at the go.
At the same time. Yes, serving 2 masters at the same time within here. Hey, mama, wait. Hey, umenimaliza. You see guys right here. Hey, the way I show my mama cooking, I'm always show love mothers.
So bro, this is now
the balcony.
The dream home.
Yes. Gango tautunuri bembaka hadi.
Haitakaa vibaya. Unaona hapa hivi?
Haiwezi, acha nikwambie.
Let me show you.
Acha nikwambie. Amuweke madirisha.
Let me show you.
You put the window.
Let me show you the plan of this house.
I see the plan.
Have you seen the plan?
Yes, I see the plan. Ninaona kila kitu. Si ni nyumba yenye imepakwa rangi ya yellow. Ina mabati maroon. Nimeona kila kitu.
So
I see everything.
It was planned to put those things over this side. Somewhere here. So that's what makes me to reach somewhere here, so that when I was going to put
sasa hapa jumvua ikinyesha ungekandi kufika hapa. Unaona hapa? Ungefika hapa sasa. Hata hapa kama ukiweka unaweza kuwa sawa.
Kama nifika hapa hivi, si niongeze fito moja.
Ongeza hata fito 2 ufike hapa. So hapo ni parefu. Inikisa timbure tu yomohera. Inakuja inapiga hivi napata ukuti imefika hapa. Wow. Lakini kushauri bwana kibere bora. Ungekaandika vizuri pote. Ikifika hapa, ukate hiki sikongo kukatia hapa. Na hapa uweke dirisha.
Hii kwa room.
Si room, si ni balcony ya kukaa.
Sitakaa vibaya.
Haiwezi kaa vibaya mura. Mimi nakuambia.
Bro, you know what makes me to do this? It's because of money.
Because of?
Oh money, bro. Because when we're going to put like to cut those things and to use like the way Royal Kim use those things, it's not going to be expensive, bro. But when we put the mirror from here up to there, bro.
Not a mirror. Yeah. You put a grill.
It will be like expensive.
No, grill are not expensive. Ni dirisha ya chongo ya chuma kuchomelea, sio grill. Umeona? Unaweka hapo. Sasa kuanzia hapa hivi ukiweka hadi hapo unapata fresh air. Hiyo sehemu nyingine umeziba.
Sasa si nikwambie kama ni hivyo niweke like hizo grills niweze kutoka hapa hadi kwa mwisho.
Lakini hapa mpaka kupa inua kidogo sasa.
Lakini niweke hadi kwa.
Hiyo grill si pesa mingi mura. Unaweza chomelea hapa maybe 2500 ama 3000. Huko pale uwezi weka, pale unazibu unaweka dirisha ndogo tu. Inakuwa. Dada ni kuweka hizo za miti. Sababu kuna security. Mama wako hizi funga ama uweze acha kitu hapo. Mtu atakuja ingia hapa avuke akae ndani. Lakini ukiweka ile grill hivi yote kishafunga pale kwa ile mlango ushafunga. Or uende kwa kina David Junior, utaona nikitoka nje kwa balcony, uone hizo grill vile zinakaza madirisha. Work. So guys, I'm trying to give my brother another advice.
I get you. So bro, you know that's what makes me to listen you more, because bro, I remember you're the
or
one.
you can create a gate here. This is a road.
This one is a road.
Tafanya gate hata hapa. Wachana huko na kujupana kali unakuja hivi.
By the way, mbona unanishauri wewe?
You are a good boss. Now you are a boss to manage your mom's house.
Bro, trust me. I have shocked people, bro, in the village. Right now, you know the names which they have already given.
They call you Illuminati because you build your mom's house. They don't want to believe.
Into 3 days. This house completed in 3 days.
They call you Illuminati and funny names. The way people names my names at my village.
Yeah.
When I start buying materials every month,
Yeah.
people calling me Illuminati. They said, okay, I didn't understand this young boy where he gets money from.
Yeah. And
Like he didn't believe, oh, I'm going to work far away in the office. But a day like this, I wake up in the morning and from my home up to your village here, it's far away.
So far, bro,
I spend my fuel and everything, and then came to here looking for the content. At the end of the month, maybe to have my small salary, buying materials, people calling me Illuminati with no reason, taking me inside because I see my camera is dying now.
Bro, this is the window. This is the window here.
For the bedroom and sitting room.
This one is a bedroom. This
Wow.
one also is a bedroom.
Na uweke madirisha ya chuma, uache haraka. Yes, metallic wind. Yes, this is your light. Mbona umcharge?
Mama, hii time imekuwa ni?
Anyway guys, I see my camera is dying.
Let me give you a choice. So,
Yeah. Hao ndio ulikuwa unapeleka shule jana?
wale wako shule. So feel free, bro.
Yes.
So this one is a sitting room. This one here. And that one is my mom's.
Yes, I don't want to film because I don't want to go inside.
Yeah, so
Have you told me earlier they came and stay here?
Yeah.
You don't want to go inside.
So this one also is another bedroom for my sister and my brother. You know now they will going to use two in one. So
And then if you have the small kids like your young brother, just buy maybe double-decker bed. So they either sleep on the lower or on the upper. If you have a sister, your sister can have a single bed. Yes.
so this one also is a bedroom, but now I see my mom, she used it like a kitchen room.
Kitchen
Because
room.
we have
Alright.
not started.
Maybe, yes, maybe in case when the house complete and everything, you can put here a bed. If you pay a visit to your mom's home or your parents' home, you can have a space to maybe to sleep.
Yeah, but
Like 1 more night, 2 more nights.
so that's
Bora ni like,
this is Jasper.
nipe busara.
Karibu.
Nipe busara. Yeah, guys, I was talking about the local porridge. Probably I found them, you know. We are not faking things, guys. But according to our culture, we sleep.
Wow, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome again to Haru Baby official YouTube channel. Today is another day, guys. You can't imagine how happy am I because Haru Baby, there is the first time to be at our home, isn't it? Yeah, guys, Haru Baby, welcome to our home.
Yes.
There is now the new home. The first, I think my brother has given you a tour. You have seen how the home was, and I know that some they can't believe because
Including me. When I saw the first video at Nation 254, I didn't believe. I said there's one day spend whole day to find my friend and see your home.
yeah, guys, there is the real home. This was the real life that you have everything. You can't imagine you are the family that you are left behind. But
Guys,
by the grace of
time is taking me. Let me take this one. Okay,
That's where now we used to wash your body.
okay, this is your bathroom.
Yeah, this
God, this is pause. This is your bathroom.
Yeah, this is
And on my videos, he saw me the toilet. Actually, this is the kind of the bathroom. You place it here, basin.
Yeah, basin,
You step here, or you scratch your leg after finish bathing. Even at my home, we're using the Polton pepper bathroom.
Yeah,
And then one day it fall down, it compressing, and then I say, okay, no matter what, one day I'll build
yeah, by the way.
the modern toilet. You have already seen on the videos. Oh guys, this is the back house right here. Oh, you have the passion fruit? Yeah. Okay. Guys, I was coming from right there, and this Sholaf's land or parents' land right here. Imagine from that far end going up to that way where he built the parent dream house. Actually, these are mango trees right here.
Yeah, these are mango trees.
Okay. Did you know the leaves of mango trees are medicine?
No.
Today make a research on Google. They'll show you it's a medicine. I'm telling you, leaves. When you peel it, leaves like this.
Yeah.
You dry and then you crush into powder form. And also guavas are act as tea leaves, majani. You can put on tea.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh wow.
Wow.
I wouldn't know that. So
Me, if I could do you, I could build a house maybe within here, and these trees, it could be the part. Alright guys, I'm back home after going through on another village to explore and showing amazing view. So guys, east west home is the best, so I want to take you around at my home. And a day like this, I expect my mason to come in the morning, but one of them came and told my mama they'll be here on tomorrow's morning, very in the morning. Actually, I changed another mason for digging the borehole, so by tomorrow morning guys, you see the videos. So but for now, let me take you outside and see how everything it is. This is our small kitchen right here. But soon guys, when things went right, I will try to build a modern kitchen soon, you know, after complete all maybe expenses here and there building my mom's dream house. When I settle down, I'll build a nice kitchen which could maybe shock even my African mom. So right here we have the spade. Actually, I want to take you outside and see how the days go. Anyway guys, welcome on today's vlog. So I want to end my video here at home. Actually, this is how our hens looks like. It's my grandma hen, and for us we have like 2-3 hens. Wow. So let's go and see how our day goes. Man, in case you're new here at the end of this vlog, please, if you watch till the end, subscribe. So let's see, at this the end of this month, maybe something that I'm going to do is to dig the borehole, so of which when I'm going to build the house for my mom's dream house, I don't want to struggle like buying water every and each single time, buying water. So I decide guys, all my video that you watch, little money that I get, I spend to construct on the borehole. So I will pay a half of the money. Maybe God will open the door in other way. So far so good. The guy will be here on tomorrow morning, and then each and every feet they will dig at $6, which is 700 Kenyan shillings, so per feet. And the engineer of the borehole told me it will go deep 49 feet, so times 700, each feet goes to $6 times 49 feet, and then we get maybe amount of the money. So me, I'm just waiting them, so by tomorrow they will be here. They're coming with 2, but one of them give my mom's message, like pass the message to my mom. They will be here on tomorrow morning. You will see the videos guys, like crazy. Look at this. Maybe this month, to be honest, this month is the month of success. I'll construct the borehole guys, and then maybe next month I'll buy 2 tippers for the sand, and then maybe April, you will see, May, June, boom. Anyway guys, I can start even today. You never know tomorrow. You know how our day goes. Maybe I'll wake up right now and then say, so let me greet my grandma there as I keep going this way, you know. So it's good to greet my grandma. I saw in the comment section people saying it's not your grandmother, it's your great grandma. Okay, me, I agree. No idea. You know, I take your comments seriously, and I'm just over here to show you how my family, the number of my family. Others are going up to that way from another family, but we are on the part of one like family member. So we have nuclear family, we have extended family, you know, we have single family. Like single family, it's my part of my dad's family, like my dad's home, you know, including my dad's mom, I, my brother and sister. Wow. Coco. Okay. No we kai. Kai avocado harotori. Nigan kuyega antari hanonkyo. Rintari omosani. Panondo tetengo keri. Tibara rugora agere. Nambe kara ni sukuma yihekero. Mbele tibara rugo. Kara me ni sukuma yihekero no takore. Sigoma baso wabali kinchitaho. Wow. This is the goat right here. Okay guys, I was greeting my grandma, my great grandma. Actually, I was asking her who gave the avocado, and then he told me the avocado fall from this tree down and then he collect it. Wow. So guys, that being said, this month, every month guys, by God's grace, every month come with new changes, you know. Like the month of January, I bought 2 tippers for the stones, and then this month I'm on the process of digging the borehole we put aside. Maybe next month, which is the month of March, we'll see something new. And guys are supposed to put all struggle down, and then this month I'm supposed to burn bricks. Actually, my mom's bricks have already completed and all stuff. So that being said, outside we run around the house by using blocks, but the partition maybe we'll use bricks. And then because my mom's house will stay alongside the road, so that being said, there's a time I was being here with my engineer. So I told him, this road they're walking here, it's a public road, but they're on map right now as I speak. So I told him, when they want maybe to construct a road, they'll put here maybe a peg from here up to that way, 30 meters, from here up to here, 30 meters. So to balance both sides, this side for my neighbor and this side for our land, you know. So maybe that trees that you see there, it could be the part of the perimeter, like, you know, to block my mom's house. And then at the back we'll have the kitchen, of which my mom needs privacy. So I suppose maybe when everything completes, the house complete and everything, we start putting the perimeter like, and then it come this way, go touch on that house, and then my mama will be secure enough. Why not? Why not, guys? You know. Okay, so guys, for me, no idea on this, but I want to end my videos. So we'll capture maybe by tomorrow morning. You will see my mason coming back to work at my borehole or at my project, you know. So I'm the guy who maybe when I get something, I spend, you know. So even right now, it's a dry season right now. It's summer season here, and probably my mom went to the river, of which I'm trying to avoid those such of scenarios. My mom went to the river every day. When it's raining, actually, the tank will be full of water. At the same time, we have the water in the borehole. So when maybe no water in the tank, they can use fetching from the borehole. Otherwise, they will use maybe water from the borehole, washing clothes, utensil, and then water from the borehole, like water from the tank, we drink, you know, we drink, and then maybe sometime you cook. And then for the borehole, it will stand for washing clothes, cooking, And for meanwhile, maybe in the future when I'll get maybe solar panel oil from my home here to my neighbors, from my great grandma to other side, we have electricity. Maybe only 4 posts power will be running here. And then because of that, maybe in the future when I get solar, I'll put the motor inside the toilet, and then no, not toilet guys, inside the borehole, and then try to pump water coming out. Wow. And then we have the small tap, or we have the tank on top. When we pump water going on top of the tank, and then we have a small tap down here. People will fetch water and enjoying, guys. I'm telling you, my family is the one that made me who I am, going harder through my dream. And then guys, outside there, you are the part of my family. You keep supporting me by watching my videos, try to motivate me, you try to advise me. And me guys, I take your comments seriously. I'm telling you guys, to be honest, I take your comments seriously, guys. So me guys, right now I'm speechless, but I want to end my videos in a good way. You know, I was coming from deep village, far away from my home, so I'm tired, guys. I'm tired like a goat. I need to end my videos. My beautiful people, I love you all. And guys, tell your friend, let's join Hello Baby videos. Although nowadays I changed the premiere, it will start around 5:20 p.m. my local time, because I was uploading at night, 11:55 p.m. But actually I realized most of the content creator upload on that time, so it's really like it's a competition, you know. So I tried to reducing back time, you know. So guys, thank you so much. Wherever you are, may God bless you. If you came from the work, just chill down, have a glass of water, enjoy my vlog to the end. And wow guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. But for now guys, I'm speechless. I'm ending my video here guys. I want to say guys, bye.